Oh, hi! No, I don't like it. Hi! Now I'm look better, isn't it? I think I'm look great. Hi! Welcome to my channel. I'm Marika and today I'm gonna cook a pizza and I'm really nervous because I'm doing this for the first time and that will be something new in my video, and just for me this will be new type of editing than the voice, like behind the pictures, you will be see the pictures and I will be talking with you, and I really hope it will work. And yeah, let's get started. Boom! So for pizza you need to mix 500 grams of bread flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and don't forget to melt 1 package of active dry yeast in 1.5 glasses of warm water. Now you should put the liquid into the flour. Mix all ingredients together and then knead them by your hand for 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. I know it's so long, but you should do that. Spread a thin layer of olive oil over the inside of a large bowl. Put it down in a bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Then you should leave it for 1 hour. Then you can to your pizza. You should just put some ingredients into this. I put a ketchup, cheese and sausage and then bake your pizza in the oven for 20 minutes. Yeah, it's ready. Yummy. That was my pizza, and I really hope you like this video and you like this montage. I really hope you did, cause I really tried to do it really cool, so many really. And for the end of this video I wanna show you my pretty kitty. This is my kitty, his name is Max. I love him. I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, give me a big thumbs up. I'm like professional YouTuber. Thumbs up. Okay, oh, this light. Okay, and subscribe to my channel, and if you didn't, why? I just love it. I love to do that. I saw this for one YouTuber and I really like it, so I decided, why don't I do that too? Because who cares? I hope you will not judge me, because I don't want it. I don't want people judge me. I want just people have a fun and love, and everything will be good. I hope so. I hope you're okay. I hope everything in your life like you want, go like you want, and I send you love. I hope you get it. Okay, see you later and bye.